Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely well. In this video, we are going to talk about email marketing. You know that email marketing is a very essential part of digital marketing. You can sell anything via email marketing if you have a right audience emails. There are so many ways that you can collect emails, but collecting unique and target audience email is most important. So that's why I am going to show you some tricks that you can apply to get target audience emails, and this will be a short video series what I'm gonna divide in some parts and upload daily in my YouTube channel. So hope you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the video quickly as soon as I upload. After we end this video series, we will see how we can use emails for email marketing. Let's see our first video to get target audience email. Here we are going to use a Google Chrome web extension. You can search in Google like this Prospectrol and visit the website of prospectrol.com, and from here you can click on get Chrome extension, or you can simply go over Google Chrome Web Store and search for Prospectrol and you will find out this tool, this extension. So simply add this extension to your browser. Just click on add to Chrome, and now you need to pin it in your browser like this. Here when you click on this icon, you will see it asks you for sign up with any of your Google account. So you need to log in with any of your Google account to sign in in this tool. You can use any of your Gmail. We recommend you to use any new Gmail account for this. Now this tool will help you to find out different type of job holders from LinkedIn. Doctors, accountant, nurse, actors, and you can go for plumber, manager, CEO. All type of job holder list you will find out in this tool, and you can find out specifically from countries. If you are looking for job holders from managers or CEO from United States or Australia, you can do it like that. Now here I am going to show you how you can find out accountant from Australia and who are using iCloud or Outlook emails. Now get ready and click on this. After you click on search, you will see multiple tabs will open in your browser, and in each browser tab you will see a list of users, LinkedIn users like this. According to your search, you can see there are all account manager list and who using the same type of emails, Outlook emails or iCloud emails. Now again click on that Prospectrol extension, and this will show you all the users name, email, location, resignation, all details. So add them to your list and then you can export them. So one by one from all tab you can collect their list and select them, add to list. This way you can collect all the details. After page 1 you can go for page 2, page 3. This way you can go deep down to the search result and collect all your emails and users details. And if you see that there is a limited result showing you in per page, so you can go for the advanced search result of Google, and from there you need to increase the amount of search result per page up to 100 and then save it. After you get your enough data, you can just export it into CSV file and open it like this one. Okay, this way you can get all the emails of LinkedIn users that are related to your desired audience, and you can do email marketing to them. We'll see in next video how you can do email marketing with them and able to get leads.